I am going to show you how to be affiliate in Temu Philippines. So let's get started. First open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Temu affiliate program. After that, open this link affiliate program and then tap on the button get started. After that, you can simply continue with Google or Facebook or with Apple. And you can also provide your manual email or phone number over here and just simply sign in into an account or just simply register yourself. And from here, it will be redirected to the affiliate page. And as you can see, you will have multiple options. When a person downloads the app or orders something with your reference link, you will get 10 to 30% commission. And for every person who download and log in, you will get 500 rupees reward. Just simply click on share to earn button, copy it and promote your link on social media or anywhere. If you scroll down, you should be able to see the other options as well. You will get 15,000 Cuban bundle, or you can go for that exclusive deal and save big as well. Over here on the left side, you will have an option pick items. And now from here, you should be able to just simply select a specific product. And as you can see, for this product, when people will buy it, I will get this amount and the maximum commission that I can get is this. And you will also have an affiliate invitation options. You should get reward by inviting new affiliates in 53 countries. Just tap on the button invite to earn, copy the link and promote it. And that's it.